This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 7, TV, oven, leveling jacks, awning, auxiliary battery, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, smoke detector, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 378 MBS is 14,344 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.